fucking flood out there, son. I don't know if you noticed. Vishnu Shiva Kali, Valentine Rabbit, son. You will be coming.
Finally, you also have to be careful with high multiple retail stocks. There will be whispers that Omicron strain will cut back mall shopping. You're already starting to hear it, right?
I heard it's not
Those
very
sirens
deadly,
were
but
easy to
it's
ignore
pretty
before the
effective.
Fed
I
started
probably
tightening.
do have
But
it.
now
I
we're
don't
in a
know. I
glass
heard
half
about
empty
6
market.
weeks, a few
All that
weeks
said,
on
while the
Omicron,
universe
now
of
for a
potential
few
winners has
couple
gotten smaller, there's still
spinning
tons of
around in a
groups at
holiday
work.
season
Pretty much
with
any financial can win.
Thanksgiving,
Some are better than others.
after
Morgan Stanley,
Thanksgiving,
Wells
about a
Fargo,
month in the
Chubb Trust.
numbers.
I
If
like
this is
Wells
what
or
that
next
is
year's
inside of
expected
there,
rate
this
hikes,
is what it
but I
looks
don't
like
like it on a
in
potentially
this
tougher
diagram.
regulatory environment.
Plus,
We
Jim,
just bought more Morgan
beta
Stanley for
Z
the trust in
numbers
the
with
last
Pennzoil
downturn.
Twister theory.
Because it has no real credit risk. It's a gigantic fee generation
Jim,
machine.
You
Strong leadership,
should get
consistent
the
growth,
virus,
no
the
controversy,
weakened
just money
or
making.
dead virus
Remember, we don't want to be
version
clever
of
at
this
this
because
stage
we
of the
like to
game.
have you
Simple,
around the
fine.
farm with the game plan.
Finally, I really
Running
like the
numbers
consumer
for me,
staples here,
lawn
even if it's
working
hard to
labor,
find good ones.
on
Maybe
the
it doesn't
timber
matter.
saws,
Hey, look, the other day I
making
told
sure
you
that
can
they
go
have
out and buy
trees cut
Clorox.
down.
Clorox is not doing that well, but it didn't matter. It's going to go higher. Just, that's what happens. Again, that's the envelope. Sell high growth stocks. Sell expensive stocks. The other envelope should say buy Clorox. By the way, just so you know, we can also buy a bunch of other stocks
It's
in
that
the
it's
same
bottomed
cohort.
out
I
way
like
too
Eli
long. It
Lilly.
didn't angle
Now, I
for
pounded the
1%
table last week's
curvature a
club
month
meeting
for 12
on
months
Eli
at the
Lilly.
S&P
I
500.
think it's great. I am not backing
Yeah,
away, even
October,
though the
November,
stock
all right,
has
you know,
risen
that's a
tremendously,
hard
including
angle
4
to
today
run.
and 25 yesterday. It doesn't make sense to sell it
the
even
boulder
at
up the hill.
$279.
You're gonna have to do the
That's
learning
up to
curve
$10.
on this.
I have no idea if Jay Powell will actually throw us into recessions. So many hedge fund managers seem
We
to be
do
demanding.
this because it's that
If anything, I think it might
platform
be the
for
opposite.
growth in the
You can
same
whip inflation
timeline,
quickly,
and the
and we'll have to
overhead is
swap
this.
back into
Don't be
stocks
hammering
that we
on
sold.
that
But
because
we'll be
it
doing
chips
it
it
at lower
off.
levels.
Run the game
The
stocks.
bottom line is that my opinion
the
doesn't
monster
matter.
yourself.
Wall
Big
Street has a
business.
playbook, and you'll be punished for
big
trying to go
dreams and
against
entropy,
it, which is why you don't
inflation.
fight the Fed and you don't fight the tape.
Some of those are good.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow at Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #